Hey Shane, so much for using my services. I'm going to show you how to fix this navigation up here. If we refresh, we can see that the navigation is actually white and you want it to be the red color. So right here I have Firefox, and there's a plugin. Firefox is an internet browser if you don't know. And there's a plugin called Firebug that you should download, and it's this thing. You just download it and install it. It's pretty straightforward. So let's click on Firebug, and this allows us to inspect the code and see what is overriding what. So right here there's a little inspection. Just click that, and we go up here and we can see what the CSS is and what is important or not important. We can hover over it and we can see that that's the red color, so that's correct. But if we go down one, we can see that this is a white color, and it says color, and this means, right here, this means not important. That means disregard everything else. Even though this is supposed to be the color, it says to disregard it because it says not important. So we need to find this file and actually delete it, and we can see what it does right now. That's not actually editing the file, but that's just doing it for our computer. And we can see that it's actually the correct color now once we do that. So let's enable it because it is enabled. And let's hover over this right here, and this tells us where the file lives. So if we click on it, we can see the whole file. So let's go back and let's actually copy this. Copy location, so that we have the path of the file, and we can see that it's on line 5607. So now that we have this copied, we know the location of the file, and we need to go into the back end. So we need to go into your hosting and we need to edit that file. So let's go to GoDaddy. And let's enter your username and password. Alright, then after we do that, we go over to hosting and we go to hosting management. Then we can launch your hosting. And let's go to the FTP file manager. We can see that it's in WP content, themes, uDesign, style1/CSS. So let's go to WP content, themes, uDesign, styles, style1, CSS, and we can see the style.css. Don't worry about this question, everything after the question mark. That doesn't really mean anything. So let's click on the file and let's click edit. Now we need to see, since we're not going to browse through 6,000 lines of code, we need to see where the where it's messing up. So what we can do is we can copy this white color, not important, or we can copy this navigation right here. And only copy the first part because Firebug reorders everything in here. So we only want to copy the first part and we'll find it. So let's copy it. Let's press Control F if you're on a PC or Command F if you're on a Mac to find. And let's paste that. So we don't see anything that says that F color is not important. So let's keep on going. And it's something long. And so we'll just keep on searching for it. And there it is right there. So we take out that color, not important, and we just save this. Alright, now let's try to refresh this and see if it works. And there we go, it did. Thank you for using my services. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll talk soon.